Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wrike, manage team projects efficiently step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Wrike, which is www.wrike.com, and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Now, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, you can check the Remember Me option. Once you have filled in your login credentials, click the Login button. After a few moments, you should be directed to your Wrike dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that your email and password are correct. If necessary, use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email and create a new password. Once logged in, you can start managing team projects efficiently. Explore the various features of Wrike to streamline your project management tasks. Set up your team, assign tasks, and track progress right from your dashboard. Remember to regularly check in with your team for updates and communications. Utilize the collaboration tools within Wrike to enhance productivity and efficiency. That concludes the guide on how to log into Wrike and start managing your team projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.